Good evening, I'm Brett Baer. Neither the influx of illegal immigrant children nor the political uproar over it shows any signs of calming down tonight. President Obama's point man on the crisis continues to sidestep questions about eventual amnesty, and we are learning that the whole thing may actually have been on the radar months ago. Chief White House correspondent Ed Henry has tonight's top story.
As President Obama heads to Texas this week for 2 days of fundraising and a speech on the economy, Republicans are pressing him to get more aggressive about the crisis on the southern border with a surge of illegal immigration from Central America.
I would put on the table cutting off any foreign assistance to these countries until they embrace solving this problem. The president has sent a message out, where he knows it or not: if you get to America, you can stay.
That message appeared to be reinforced Sunday when Homeland Security Secretary Jeh Johnson dodged questions about whether the children will be deported to Central America.
We are looking at ways to create additional options for dealing with the children, in particular, consistent with our laws and our values.
White House spokesman Josh Earnest today pledged the law will be enforced.
Why couldn't your Homeland Security Secretary say that when asked repeatedly on NBC yesterday? He could not say what you said.
What the Homeland Security Secretary was very clear about is our commitment to enforcing the law and making sure.
He asked that 4 times, and he kept talking about other options. And
he was asked very directly about whether or not this administration is committed to enforcing the law, and that's exactly what we are doing.
Ernest said one problem is a 2008 anti-trafficking law requires specific handling of children apprehended at the border, so the process can take longer. Tomorrow, the president will unveil a special budget request for Congress to fund more immigration lawyers and judges to try and speed up that process. Though now, even some Democrats are questioning the president's approach, with Democrat Henry Cuellar of Texas saying Mr. Obama should visit the border while he's in the state Wednesday and Thursday.
With all due respect, I think he's still one step behind. They knew this was happening a year ago, last year, and again, they're not reacting fast enough.
In fact, while the administration has seemed surprised by the crisis, there are signs they knew it was coming. Back in January, the Department of Homeland Security began shopping for contractors to move kids around the United States, saying, quote, there will be approximately 65,000 unaccompanied alien children in total, 25% local transport, 25% via ICE charter, and 50% via commercial air.
Now, officials confirmed that contract is real, but insist it was just about long-term planning. Meanwhile, Josh Earnest told us the president still has no plans to visit the border because he's already been briefed about the crisis. And Earnest said they have no concerns about the optics of the president fundraising just a few hundred miles away. Brett?
Ed Henry live on the North Lawn. Ed, thanks.